Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino in Basecamp Trading, and this is the free video for Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. So looking at the markets today, you can see on the daily chart here in the S&P 500, we're kind of neutral. This is what we call an inside bar. It is a lower high and a higher low, and it generally is considered a neutral bar, and in this particular case it's considered a pause because we've had a couple of days of downward trending markets, lower highs, lower lows. Today is a little bit of an exception. Now the reason why I believe we're pausing, and the reason why we've had this down move recently is because of U.S. and China trade negotiations starting here in the back half of this week. The Chinese delegation is here now, but Sunday, the Trump administration had basically stated that the trade tariffs that were going to increase to 25%, which we're currently at 10%, that was on pause in light of our ongoing discussion. Well, unless something happened, they're going to go ahead and institute those trade tariff increases on Friday morning. With that said, the Chinese came back and said, we're not quite sure if we're going to come over now. It turns out that the vice premier and the Chinese delegation did come over, but it remains to be seen whether or not there's going to be any progress at all. And right now, the Chinese basically said if it is necessary, countermeasures will be enacted if U.S. raises tariffs on Friday. So it's a little bit of a standoff in the markets. I think the markets are selling off in anticipation, but they don't necessarily want to completely rule out the fact that we could move higher. So generally, I expect another day of relatively contained movement tomorrow, and then come Friday, everything depends on if there's any resolution at all from those meetings. So be quick on your feet. Don't take any big positions, because any results from that meeting could have seriously affect the ability of this market to move higher or lower. If you like what you hear in this video, please go ahead and subscribe in the lower corner, and you'll be treated to these daily videos on a regular basis. Thank you very much. So go ahead and click subscribe below.